What is going on, Bee Bunch? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you may be in the world. Today is a day of organization again. Yes, again. We just did the desk here. My other Mac computer is now in Bella's room. And if you can kind of sort of tell behind me, there really isn't anything here to bang into. So that means I don't have a couch. It's all gone. The couch is gone. That big couch you saw at the beginning of this video, it's gone. Goodbye, finito, au revoir. Everything we're doing, we're getting rid of a lot of things. A lot of big things.
You got it, Lucky? You're painting the same spot. You gotta move. You got it, buddy?
Yeah.
You're doing a great job.
Yes, I am.
No, don't touch it. You're gonna touch the wall. You're gonna get paint all over your body.
Do you want to talk about what you're doing right now?
Getting these pictures up on this wall.
We ordered pictures from Amazon and they finally came. Are you excited?
I am.
And our pictures are coming.
There's also a lot of things, a lot of smart things that we did to the house that you can't really see. And this has been weeks, if not months, of constantly going to the stores, not even buying stuff, just looking, placing, trying to find the perfect thing to put where. It's been quite stressful, actually. It's a lot more work than you think, you know, trying to redo the house and theme of the house and, well, whatever. This is probably Mary's favorite part and my favorite part, but without further ado, what's now your favorite part?
My favorite part is turning off the TV when it's bedtime and the kids are like, oh no!
Alexa, make it cozy.